Okay, we got our holes drilled and bored out here. So I'm going to use an 1 5/8" screw to put in here. So you can see we got the screw in each side. So we want to screw this piece in. That way we can check to see if our alignment's right with the mouth, because you want to make sure that's correct. I'm going to slide this piece in. Okay, we'll do this side. Okay, so we got that block put in. I'll take a little bit of glue and we'll put a little bit of a dab of glue on that so it doesn't move on us. And mark where I got to adjust this mouth a little more. Take a little bit more off in here. I'll take a little bit more off in here and then round this piece down in here just a little bit so I get a little bit more play on this mouth. I want to be able to open and close a little bit more. Also got to take a little bit off on the side here because it's rubbing. We don't want that to be rubbing on that. So we'll do those adjustments and we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.